Hello, trading is closed on January 31st, 2019. My last call said the pattern had an early low and a late high, tended to be a rally day, but I thought we'd drop anyway, and we hit a lower target. Came nowhere near it. One of my trading rules is gapping sharply in the undesired direction kills the call before the open. We gapped up 4 points. I don't know if that's sharply or not, but anyway, the call wasn't long for this world. We said if it were going to print, there should be an early drop. That never happened. And we said there was trendline resistance at yesterday's high, and if we cleared it, the whole thing was killed. And after gapping up, we cleared that high promptly, and that really kills it. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We had some MEJT signals. They've all printed. Doesn't give us any help for tomorrow's trade. This pattern almost always closes at the day's high. When it doesn't, it means lower prices print. Doesn't mean you have to close lower. Futures are down slightly as I'm recording this, but this is a pretty strong rally. There's no rule I know of that says you can't clear this early tomorrow, and that's what it takes for the move up to continue. But if we don't clear this early, we do have lower targets. And once we convincingly go under this line, which I'm not predicting at this time, once we do that, we should trade under the line by an amount larger than we traded over it. So if we do get an early drop tomorrow, and we trade under this line on the move, there could be 50 points down from this line, close to 100 points from here. But I don't have anything right now that says this rally is over, even though we could go lower first. We could actually go significantly lower first if we get a big down day tomorrow, which hasn't happened yet. So, tomorrow's pattern's the one with the early low. All we need to do to continue the rally is to clear this high early. But if we don't clear this high early, lower prices should print. And at some point, this move should reverse and take us close to 100 points lower than where we are now. We're trying to figure out where's the end of this up move. As I've said from the beginning, I can make a case for it to clear 2,800. There are a number of places along the way where I can connect the dots and make a case for it ending. But at this point, I'm not convinced this move's over, even though we could drop first. Looking for the pattern with the early low. Whether or not we clear this early tells us whether or not we could have a reversal tomorrow. But even if we trade lower, it's not a guarantee we close lower, and that's today's call.